A 12-volt fridge is an essential appliance for travelers, campers, and outdoor enthusiasts who need reliable food and drink storage on the go. Unlike traditional coolers, it provides consistent cooling through a vehicle's power source, keeping food fresh and beverages cold. Its portability, efficiency, and convenience make it perfect for travel and off-grid adventures. Welcome to JVR Referrals. For this time we will show you one of USA top 12-volt fridge brand, Dometic. The Dometic NRX 60C is a compact 12 or 24-volt compressor refrigerator built for RVs, camper vans, boats, and off-grid use. It offers a 55-liter capacity with efficient cooling performance in demanding conditions. The sleek frameless design and dark silver finish allow easy integration into small travel spaces. It features eco, boost, and silent modes for flexible cooling control, plus a removable freezer compartment for added versatility. With low power consumption and reliable performance, it's ideal for travel and off-grid living. Here are at least 5 features. 55-liter capacity, compact yet spacious storage for food and drinks in RVs, vans, and boats. 12 or 24-volt DC compressor system, efficient cooling designed for mobile and off-grid power setups. 3 cooling modes, Eco, Boost, Silent, adjust performance for energy saving, fast cooling, or quiet operation. Removable freezer compartment, flexible interior that can be used as a full fridge or fridge-freezer combo. Sleek frameless design, modern dark silver finish that blends seamlessly into compact living spaces. The Dometic NRX 60C stands out as a reliable and efficient cooling solution for mobile and off-grid lifestyles. With its compact design, flexible storage options, and energy-efficient compressor system, it delivers consistent performance in a variety of environments. Whether for RV travel, boating, or van life, this refrigerator provides the convenience and durability needed to keep food fresh and accessible on every journey. For more info, click the link in the description. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.